What if I told you that two traders could make the exact same trade, same stock, same entry point, and one walks away building wealth while the other slowly goes broke? Same trade, completely different outcomes, not because of skill, not because of luck, but because of where they are mentally. Today, we're walking through every level of making money in trading, not the technical stuff, the human stuff. Level 1, beginner's luck. Everyone starts here. You open an account, pick a stock, and it goes up. And that feeling is dangerous because it wasn't skill. The market was just being kind to a newcomer, but your brain doesn't know that. It files it under, "I'm good at this." Psychologists call this the Dunning-Kruger effect. The less you know, the more confident you feel. And overconfident traders are the market's favorite meal. Level 2, the first real loss. Then reality shows up. Your position drops. And instead of cutting the loss, you hold it. Because selling means admitting you were wrong. And that feels unbearable. This is loss aversion. Losing money hurts twice as much as gaining the same amount feels good. So you freeze. You hope. You check your phone every 20 minutes. Most people quit here. And honestly, that's not always the wrong decision. Level 3, the grind. The ones who stay enter the most unglamorous level of all. You study. You build a strategy. You make rules. Then you break the rules. Then you lose money. Then you make new rules. This level can last years. But here's the shift that separates traders who make it from the ones who don't. They stop asking, "How do I make money?" and start asking, "How do I stop losing money?" That single question changes everything. Level 4, boring consistency. Real skill looks boring from the outside. Level 4, traders don't get excited about wins. They don't spiral after losses. They follow their system quietly, trade after trade, like a surgeon who doesn't flinch during a routine procedure. Small gains, month after month. No drama. This is where consistent money actually lives. Not in the highlight reel, in the daily discipline nobody posts about. Level 5, compounding. Once you have consistency, you have something to scale. Think of a snowball rolling downhill, tiny at the top, massive at the bottom. Not because the hill changed, because time and consistency did their job. That's compounding, and it quietly builds more wealth than any single big win ever could. Here's what ties every level together. The market is a machine that transfers money from emotional, impatient people to calm, disciplined ones every single time. Most traders spend all their time learning strategies. Almost nobody spends time learning themselves. And that's exactly why most people lose. Know which level you're on. Be honest about it. Measure success by your process, not just your profit. Did you follow your rules? Did you manage your risk? A trader who follows a smart process and loses is further ahead than one who ignores their process and gets lucky. And respect compounding. Show up consistently over time. Protect your capital as fiercely as you grow it. Every trader you admire went through every level we talked about today. None of them skipped one, because the market will meet you exactly where you are. If you're undisciplined, it will find that. If you're patient, it will reward that. The chart is just a mirror, and what you see in it says a lot more about you than it does about the market.